Everyone, answer that treasure hunt, and welcome back to our channel. I was going to say treasure. So, cooking up some stuff. Getting some meal prep done and everything. So I thought I'll show y'all a little bit what I'm doing. I'm cooking some chicken in there. I'm going to season it with I'll show y'all. I got some garlic and onion, which needs to be, and this is my turmeric, cumin, and ginger. And I'm telling you, when I use the for me, the turmeric, and now I don't eat this bad. So I know that works. We're going to add some garlic and onions, and the reason why is because, and this pot is chili. You see, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. I know I'm not having any tonight because I'm trying to figure out. I'll show you. I know it's on a food video. I have to do it separately. And talking to a good friend of mine, Kim Burris. I'll see her in the chat and everything. She has a soy allergy, and we will be getting back to our podcast about food allergies after the first of the year. And I did a test last night. They found Texas Roadhouse butter in the store, and the first ingredient is hydrogenated soybean oil. So I was doing fine, both of them, and I had just a little bit of that. Maybe probably like a teaspoon of it last night, and I woke up this morning and yes. So we kind of just like process of elimination soy. So definitely after the first of the year, I'm going back to the allergist and get everything tested just to see and make sure. So we are going to cook this. And season that side. I'm using Himalaya pink salt. I love this stuff. A generous coating of this. And we're going, garlic and onion is good for you too, especially now that it's cold outside. Oh yeah, baby, it's cold outside. So I've been asked to sing all of Silent Night, so that's coming also. But I have got celery. We have some turnips here. So these are the newer turnips. These things are huge. Look how big that is. We have these turnips. And I have sweet potatoes. So I may come up with a soup idea. We have radishes that need to be used and broccoli. So I am fixing that. This is bok choy. And we'll wash that, stick back, and separate it and everything. So it'll be in servings. And we got other radishes in the sink. But we kind of want to make sure that these are not bad. Smell test. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's a no-go. So that's what it is. And then this one, let's smell this one too. Broccoli, if you don't use it up quick enough, it goes, it goes bad so fast. And then I forgot, and then stick it in the freezer. Woo, Lordy. You have some smell like gas. This one still smells good. I don't know. It's got spots on it. No, just better safe than sorry. You can always get more. So I am going to cook up this chicken, and then for my dinner tonight, I have ground turkey burgers still left. So I'll fix something up with that, and I will bring you along with that. But I wanted to show y'all what I use for my chicken. Just some things that we're cooking up. I'm going to saute some celery. I'm going to saute some of this. And one of these turnips. And we'll have that for lunch. Yes, it's always a late lunch. So, but when everything is done, I will bring you back after as I'm sauteing everything else and show y'all what I do. Okay, so the chicken, I gotta show y'all this chicken. Look, that looks so good. Now that's the turmeric, and it makes it like a golden yellow or orange, but so much flavor. And here is the chili. So I don't, since the seasonings, I have to kind of check and everything. I decide if like beef or whatever they have, to put it to the side. I'm gonna be fixing that myself. But I want to show y'all this chicken, because then I'm gonna show y'all what I do with the veggies. Alright, so I'm just going to take this out. We'll cut that up here in a little bit. So while that is resting, I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil to get that coated. Alright, so let's bring y'all over here. Alright, so I got that. So I've chopped up the radishes and the turnips. And I've got the celery, but I think the celery cooks fast. I remember it cooks fast. I'm just going to throw it all in there, and we're going to stir it up. Saute it a little bit. And use all those juices and seasoning from the chicken to cook this. Spin. And yes, it will turn it colors. There we go. So we are going to let this cook for a little bit. Get all that nice yellow orange color in there. Get it all coated. And come back and show y'all when it's done. Alrighty, so while that's sauteing, I thought I would show you what I do with the bok choy. Yes, you can cut it and cut this end off, but sometimes to me it comes off just like this, all the way down to the little itty bitty parts. And there you go. And then you can throw that in there. And I'll tear it up a little bit. Put some greens in there. Everything that's basically done. And then I'm going to take this and just put it in a Ziploc bag, and I will store it in the refrigerator and use it up. So I try to change up cabbages every once in a while, so I'm not always the same one. I love cabbage. Okay, so this is about how I want it right now. And you can get them as soft as you want, or and everything. Cut the chicken up just a little bit. Just kind of like a rough chop. I know I can put this on the cutting board and do it. But the less mess, the better. I am just going to throw it right back in to heat it up. Like that. And there we go. a nice yummy chicken veggie stir fry with different kinds of vegetables. And then you can have rice, noodles, you can do udon noodles, ramen noodles. That would make a good soup with that and everything. And we're going to plate this up. We'll put it back in the bowl. Some in the bowl. All fit. Oh, there we go. It will all go in there. Let's turn that off. Rinse this out a little bit. I'll wash in just a minute. And we are going to do a taste test. So, bring y'all down. Let me get the chair. And yes, my shirt says, not lucky. What does it say? Not lucky, but blessed. It says, simply. Hey, I like simply Jane Homestead. Not lucky, simply blessed. Romans 4:7-8. So yes, indeed. Very, very blessed. Alrighty. So y'all see just part of my head. Alrighty, there we go. Yeah, it's still that way. I'll just get down. So we're gonna. This is the turnips. So here's a piece of turnip and chicken. Oh, that's so good. I love turnips. Well, I had a piece of bok choy in here. Let's see. So there we go. Got a radish, some bok choy, and a piece of chicken. That is so good. Call it what you want. I'll call it good. A little bit of a carb. So there we go. That is lunch. And when I make something with turkey burger, I'll show y'all what I do with that. So thank y'all for watching. And God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on our treasure home.